Hey guys, I'm Shawn in the studio today at Waco, Texas. We're going to do an Eagles song today. It's called Love Will Keep Us Alive. Let's take a listen. All right, pretty cool, huh? That's the guitar part. We're going to do it on piano. Hey guys, welcome to our online community of piano players at webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. I've got news for you. You can do it. It can be done. But you have to pick the right lessons and you have to know how to practice. That's what I'm really going to try to help you to do and have always tried to help people to do as I've taught lessons these past 13 years online. Well, let's take a look at this part one lesson here. So you can see the board here. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets, and the sheets are really nice to have. Look how zoomed in I am and how clear that is. Those of you who want to have bad eyes or you really just want to get in close to look at a couple of measures, it's neat to be able to do that. But we're going to do the part one here, all the lessons for this all the way through on my website. I have lots of other Eagle songs on there as well. Just because it's a guitar song doesn't mean we can't play it on piano. In fact, I love that's one of my favorite things to do is to take a song where somebody goes, oh, that's not going to work on piano. And then I think, yes, it can. The only thing I haven't been able to make work on piano, I think, is rap. So every other genre can work, I think, if we do the right things. So we have a Kwai MP11 SE in the studio today. I'm using the concert grand sound just because it has a nice tone for this style that we're going to do, okay? So let's get to the board, get to work. Okay, so I was trying to think of the bass line. There we go. You can put that in there or not. But definitely we want a bass in there. At the beginning of each measure, I'm going to do a left-hand A octave here. And these are the actual notes the guitar is playing, and they're pretty straightforward all the way through. The Eagles never really get very complicated on their riffs and stuff that they do. They're just very well crafted. They have very good craftsmanship in their songwriting, in their instrumentation, in their vocals. I mean, listen to the Hell Freezes Over album. I mean, it's better than the versions they did years before. But this is very simple, but very cool, very catchy. All right, so on the right hand, we're going to have A on the thumb, then E on the fifth finger, B on the two finger, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we end with A, B, E. If you're not familiar with the way I kind of notate rhythms, I'll put a curved line for a group of notes that's the same note values, and then you'll have a dash there. That means you hold that a little bit. It's not exact science, but it can help you with as a visual to remember the basic rhythm. 1 and 2 and 4 and you can hold the pedal down. Some of you know I'm always telling you too much pedal, too much pedal. Well, you can use it right here. And you might want to change it here to the second measure, even though it's the same. You can also put a light thumb on your left hand. There, second measure. A little bass line if you want it. A, B, C sharp, E, F sharp. Ba-da-bum-bum. You want to try that. You got to be gentle with it though. I think it's probably too much to put in there, so we'll just leave it out here. But F sharp octave in the left hand. Alright, so that's a matter of personal choice there. Sometimes the little bass lines work and you can put them in there, and sometimes they're just a little too messy if you already have something going on in the right hand. Alright, so F sharp in the left hand, the right hand does the same thing. And if I could scroll over a little bit, you'd see it's the same thing. So here we go from the beginning and go. 1. Change your pedal, F sharp. All right, guys, there's our part one lesson. Hope you enjoyed that. That's not very hard, is it? I think you can do that. And if you can do that, I think you can play the rest of it. All right, come join us on webpianoteacher.com. We have a lot of fun. See you there. Talk to you later.